Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of allowing your device to automatically update itself. The first one is more user-friendly because it uses simply the regular settings, and the second one is a little bit more advanced as we have to open developer options. So let's begin with the first one. All we have to do is to go to the settings. Here in this left section, let's scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. This is what you will see, and then go to System Update here. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. You do not have to wait until your device will check for the updates, and go to Update Settings. As you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the automatic update. The first one, which is auto update, and your device will automatically download and install download and install the updates when connected to the internet, and restart and upgrade overnight and during between 2 and 4 a.m. So it's basically up to you which option you prefer to turn on. I mean, you can use both, or it's completely up to you, but I highly recommend to simply turn on the first one for sure. And the second way requires entering the advanced options. So here we are in the About Tablet, and all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find the software version, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's a standard procedure. So after that, let's go to the general settings. Here we have to scroll down and go to developer options, and now all you have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option which is called automatic system updates, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher here, and from now on your device will also allow the updates when the device restarts. Basically, this option is a little bit more advanced because it is not really shown to the user. So sometimes you won't even notice, but your device will simply go through the update. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.